Okay, so one more quick thing I'm going to do on this pop-up. I'm going to, you know, if you glue it in or tuck it in, this is just plain. And so you can embellish it however you like. But I think what I'm going to do is use this red envelope, what's left of it. And I'm going to cut a piece of paper out and cover it with red. Oof, that did not want to come out of there. Okay, so I'm going to lay it here and just trace around it. And so I'm just going to use, I'll probably use Distress ink on it, but I'm going to glue it on here, and then I'm going to take this Merry Christmas from the kit and glue that on top of the red. And I'm also, just to embellish it a little bit more, I'm going to take one of the hymns, if I can find them, Joy to the World. I think I'm going to, if I can remember how to do it, I'm going to cut some snowflakes, some small snowflakes. And let's see, how do you make a snowflake? I'm trying to remember. Okay, a circle. All right then. So something like, see if that looks like a snowflake shape. It does, it's a little large. So let me cut it just a little bit smaller. And then fold it. Been a few years since I made these. And let's see. Cut some little shapes into them. And do I want to cut? Did I cut the middle off? I'll leave it alone. See what this looks like. Okay. Well, actually, I think I will try folding this over. Folding that again. And let's see what happens if I do this. This might be better. Okay, let's see what this does. Okay, a little more snowflake-like. Wonder if I could Distress ink on the edge. I also think I need to cut the middle. I should have cut the middle. I'm going to go ahead and fold it back up and do some cuts on the center there. Now let's see if that looks there. That's a little bit better. And the ends are kind of need to be cut, I think, to a point. Let's see. Oh, that's going to be fun to clean up. It just went everywhere. Let's see what that did. Okay, well, that looks a little bit better. Okay. Okay, so Well, I tell you what, I have this little snowflake punch. Let me try that. Let me see if that works. I could just put several of these small, yeah. I'm just going to do that. Okay, let me cut this square out. The pencil line kind of hard to see on that red paper. Okay. And again, you don't want to glue anything over this fold line at all, or it will hinder the opening up. So be sure you get it right on that edge. Found that out the hard way when I did the large one that I added to Etsy. I did a large version of this in a separate kit on Etsy for a regular journal, regular size journal. Okay, let's see if I can take my, I'll try and do what I told you to do and get this scooched at least no more than and somehow I managed to get a white flash over here. Which I'm going to trim. I don't think it'll show from the other side, so I'm going to trim this down just a little bit. And this is, it looks like it's just a little bit bigger on that side, but I don't think it hurts anything from here. And when you open it, you won't notice, I don't think. So I'm going to leave it. No, wait a minute. Yeah, you can kind of see it. All right, I'm going to trim it. Okay. And so then this will be, I'll glue this. Which might be kind of fun to try to get flat. Okay, and then I'm going to glue that. Let's see. If I glue it too far up on this thing, it doesn't even read as a snowflake. That's why I'm looking to see where I want to place that. But if I put some of these small snowflakes around it, it will, you know, key into whoever looks at it that that's a big snowflake behind it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put it down here. Center it as best I can. And then I'm going to overlap the snowflake onto this. And I'll put one down here. And I'll trim it off. See, so there's 4. It's always good to have an uneven number. And I don't want it to be symmetrical, so I'm going to go ahead and put this one over here. And yeah, I'll go ahead and turn that off. I would leave it, but I think that when somebody opens it, it would probably get kind of messed up. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. What is going on there? That one didn't get punched right, it looks like. There. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to take a little bit of Distress ink. As soon as I find my, there it is. Okay. All right, so that dresses that up a little bit. And so I think that's it for today. If you liked it, click like and think about subscribing, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.